By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn any boring text into an engaging YouTube script using ChatGPT. And we're going to test it with a real example, so you can see exactly how it works. Let's get started. If we give ChatGPT a simple prompt, we may not get the result we want. But if we clearly tell ChatGPT how we want our script, it can give us a much better result. So first, let's try a simple prompt and see what happens. For this example, I have an article called, "What should you look for when buying shoes?" Let's copy it. Now open ChatGPT and type a simple prompt. Turn this article into a YouTube video script. Here, paste our article and click Generate. As you can see, it has simply turned the article into a basic script with points. But we want our script to be engaging so that our audience keeps watching. So let's generate the script again, but this time with clear instructions. I'll start with, act as a professional YouTube scriptwriter. Turn the source material I provide into an engaging YouTube script that keeps viewers watching. Then I will add, please provide the script with the structure below. Now, I'll paste the script structure we learned in my last video. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can click the link in the top right corner. Then I'll add, write in simple, conversational spoken English. Use short sentences and smooth transitions. Keep the information accurate to my source and don't invent facts or statistics. Next, I'll enter the video topic. What should you look for when buying shoes? And then I'll paste the complete article as the source material. Now let's click Generate. Now look at how ChatGPT has structured our script. It starts with a clear promise. What should you actually look for when buying a pair of shoes? Then we have the hook. And throughout the main part of the script, curiosity, storytelling, and value work together to keep the information interesting. Finally, the script ends with the CTA. So instead of just listing the points from our article, ChatGPT has used the structure we gave it to create a more engaging YouTube script. And the best part is, you can reuse this same prompt for almost any topic. I've added the complete prompt in the pinned comment and description below, so you can simply copy it and use it for your own videos. You only need to change the video topic and source material based on the video you want to create. You can also add your target audience and video length. There's one important thing to remember. Don't blindly copy whatever ChatGPT generates. Read the script, check the facts, remove anything unnecessary, and make sure it sounds natural for you and your audience. Think of ChatGPT as your script writing assistant. It can help you create the first draft much faster, but you should always give it the final touch. If you want to learn how to create free AI images and videos using Google Flow mobile app, watch this video next. If you found this video useful, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.